So this is it, huh?
Oh yeah, you're gonna love it. 4-bedroom, 2-bath.
How big is the yard?
Oh, we'll get to that.
Is it
Don't
fenced? Can I go see it? I'm gonna go see it right now.
This should be tall enough for my dog. Here, will you hold this?
worry. Sure.
This should be a good distance for fetch.
Owner's just installed brand new carpet, so that's a huge
Oh,
plus.
that's too bad. They should have done hardwood.
You don't like carpet?
You ever seen a dog with tummy issues? You don't want carpet. No doggy door? Too bad.
And this window is double pane, so that means what? What are you doing?
Oh, just making sure my dog can see enough. This is where he spends most of his time.
So what do you think?
Have to think about it.
Did I mention there's a dog-friendly park nearby?
We'll take it.